Hey, continue. Okay, quiet, Papi. We are from Haiti. I remember when the fire started, but we didn't know because we was sleeping. When I saw, I just look in the window and saw the fire, and then we just take our son definitely, and then went out. And then when we went out, we saw the police. And the police told us, you have a car? And we say yes, and they say you're gonna have time to just run and go get it, and then just drive. It was so bad. Okay, this is my son Davensley Louis and my husband Elvis. We are a victim of a wildfire on the October 9th. So we lost everything because our apartment was burned down. So we didn't have time to get anything. We want to ask for your help. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys.